herbs are known for their health benefits as well as their culinary and medicinal uses. Mint, for example, like this is the mint. This is chocolate mint, and this one is my favorite, strawberry mint. So mint has been used to cure digestive problems for like thousands of years. And then thyme. This is thyme. I love thyme. This has been used to cure bronchitis, sore throat, and cough too. And then lemongrass. Lemongrass is over there. Lemongrass is can also help with like high blood pressure and aching joints. Herbs also has like some interesting uses, like for example, this is the laurel plant. These are the laurel leaves or bay leaves, and so this along with sage, the sage is here, they are known to remove negative energy from the house. So if like you feel like luck is not on your side, then maybe it's time to burn some sage and bay leaves. And but for me, I mainly use these herbs to flavor dishes, but I also use them to decorate the house, which is what this video is all about, decorating the house with herbs. And look at the bees, like really busy foraging. Look at them here. Oh, there you go, see them? This is fennel. They are very pretty on the vase too. This is the flower of lemon verbena. So I have fennel here and then lemon verbena here. This is basil. So this is very fragrant too. I don't know if you can see this one. And that is rosemary. Oh, the bee. Hello, bee. So this is basil, over there is sage. So I am decorating the house with like the bedroom. I'm going to put this on the bedroom so it would have a very relaxing smell. And this one is basil. So I'm going to use basil too. So I have fennel here and then lemon verbena. I'm going to pick basil and then rosemary. This is oregano. I have here fennel, lemon verbena, oregano, and basil. Now I'm going to check some if there is any lavender that I could pick too. This is lavender. This is French lavender. These are the herbs now. I wish you could smell this. These are the herbs that I picked from the garden. Fennel, basil, rosemary, oregano, and lavender. I'm going to transfer them onto these small vases and then put them on the bed, on the table by the bed next to me, so I could smell them in the morning. So let's start with this one. So this is lavender. Maybe I'll put the lavender here. And fennel. And this is the basil goes in the big vase here. This is cute, right? Oh, smells so good. And then here, this one too goes in here. So we have the basil and then the fennel, and then the rosemary. This one is tall too, probably here too. And I'll move the fennel. Here's what I have now. So basil and oregano, and then lavender and fennel, and then I'll move the rest on this like vase. So I have 3. Oh, and this is the lemon verbena. Smells so good too. Lemon verbena with rosemary. And then I have another like fennel here. I can put here too. So now I have 3. So this, all very fragrant, and this one. Let's move this by the bedside table. So I have now. And then I'm going to show you later. Here are the herbs now. Look at them. It's really nice in the morning when I wake up and I smell this like very fragrant and very relaxing smell or scent of the herbs. The relaxing scent can help you unwind, and they are my free air freshener actually. You can place the vases with herbs by the bedside table, or on a window sill like this, or on a kitchen window, and even on like a tub. Like if I put this here, it's really nice too. So like that. So kind of like that, right? Or even in the living room. Like here, I moved them to the coffee table when we had dinner in the living room the other night. Or here, I like to have coffee in here. So this is the same bistro set that we move around. So sometimes this goes to the backyard or the front yard, and then inside the house too. Usually inside the house so it doesn't get worn out fast. Right, Josh?
Right.
So I have the herbs here too. So they can go anywhere you like. Do you like it here, Josh?
I think so.
The herbs?
Yes, I think they like it here. Mommy?
Yes?
What my Venus flytrap? There you go.
The Venus flytrap. Oh, show them your Venus flytrap. Bring it here. By the way, Josh just has a Venus flytrap. Come here, Josh. Josh just is taking care. What are you doing with that? Are you taking care of that?
Yes.
Yes. Josh just is taking care of this Venus flytrap. So the manchego cheese. Now moving on to the Gouda. It's nice when you're not in a hurry and like you have like different. You have this like finger food. We love to do like hors d'oeuvres or like charcuterie or like pica pica. We call it pica pica in Filipino, or like sort of Spanish tapas dinner. We like to do those things. And trim the wax and then slice this too. And then we're going to watch like a movie. I'm not sure which one yet. If we couldn't find any movie, then I'll probably watch Stillwater. We like Stillwater. It's on Apple TV. The panda.